Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to create an Instagram grid. Instagram grid is how you can make your Instagram picture to fit on your Instagram wall. These are single pictures, but if you look at my Instagram wall, you will see that the pictures are full images pasted very well. This is called Instagram grid. I also have another Instagram page, which is this. And if you look at my Instagram, you will see that my Instagram wall, all the pictures are well aligned. Let's wait, you can see. So I'm going to show you how to create an Instagram grid. So first of all, we have to go to Chrome and download the image that we want to use to create our Instagram grid. So let's say Ronaldo. Okay, let's go to pictures. Let's assume we want to use this picture to create an Instagram grid. Hold the picture and download image, download. Let's assume we want to use another image, the video. Let's look for the video picture. I don't know, this image is not too clear, so let's look for another image. Okay, let's go for this, download image. Let's check whether the image has been downloaded. Okay, these are the two images. So the next thing we're going to do now is go to Play Store and search for Griddy, Griddy. I've already downloaded this app in my phone, so let me show you the app in my phone. Griddy, this is it. So click on it, and if you want to create such image that will cover all your Instagram wall, click on grid, select the image, hold and select the image, select. As you can see, this is the section that is going to appear in this image. So I'm going to shift it this way. Okay, as a write-up on top of this image, but it doesn't matter. I'm just using this for an example. Now this image that was selected is going to be cut in 6 different parts. If you select 3x2, what we selected now is 3x3. If you select 3x2, the image is going to be cut in this format. If you select 3x1, so if you select 3x4, as you can see, if you select 3x5, just like that. But I'm going to select, I think, 3x3. 3x3 is okay, and click OK. So as you can see, if you save this picture now, if you look, the image has been numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You're going to be uploading this picture in this format. You will first of all upload the number 1, followed by number 2, followed by number 3, followed 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, accordingly, if you're uploading it on your Instagram wall. So the next thing we're going to do now is click on save. Are you sure you want to save all the photos to your gallery? Yes. So the pictures has now been saved. Let's go to our gallery. Go to gallery, and you can see here are the pictures. Let's go back again and do the same on the C Ronaldo image. Click on grid, come down, select C Ronaldo image, beautiful, and say okay. So when uploading this picture on your Instagram, you first of all upload number 1, 2, 3 accordingly. Now click on save. Yes. So let's check for the image. Go back. This is the image. So what we're going to do now is upload these images on Instagram. So let's go to Instagram. Let me use my other Instagram. Go back to the image. Let's upload the C Ronaldo image first. Share. This is how I actually upload. Feed. Okay. Upload. Finished. Finishing up. Let's go and check. This is the number 1. Let's go and upload the number 2, the second one. Upload. Okay. Let's go and upload the third one. Upload. Finishing up. Refresh. As you can see, the 3 has now been uploaded. Just like that. Upload the 4th one. Upload the 5th one. Upload the 6th one. Upload the 7th one. Upload the 8th one. Upload the last one, which is the 9th image. So let's go and check out this image. Refresh. The last one just entered now. As you can see, C Ronaldo image is on my Instagram wall. The same thing goes to Davido image. I'm going to fast forward this video. So we finished uploading the last image. Let's go to our wall and see, refresh. As you can see, this is C Ronaldo image and this is Davido image on my Instagram wall. So this is how you can upload any kind of image, cut it with Grady, and upload the image accordingly to your Instagram wall. Please, if this is your first time of being to my YouTube channel, my name is Aswiken Kingsley, and if you're new to my channel, please consider hitting the subscription button and also the bell button, and also hit the like button if this video was useful to you so that other people can see it. I will really appreciate that. So I will see you guys in my next video. You guys should stay creative and remain blessed.